Hello everyone, I welcome you to my video on a hammer, which is a very popular candlestick pattern used by a lot of technical analysts in order to find a trade. Let's take a look at a hammer. So this is how the hammer would look like. Now if I talk about an ideal bookish hammer, it should be a green color hammer and it should not have an upper wick at all. That means it should not have any upper line at all. However, if I talk about the practicality of it, if I talk about using it in order to identify a trade, a hammer could even be red in color, or it could even have a small tiny upper wick. And that could also be considered as a hammer, and you could use it for taking a trade. Now, how do I identify whether the candle that I'm looking at is a hammer or not? So, for that, the lower wick of the hammer should be twice the size of the real body. That means if the real body is 10, the lower wick should be 20. And that will be an indication that yes, this is a hammer and I can use it for taking a trade. Now, please remember, a hammer is a trend reversal signal. To be very specific, it is a bullish trend reversal signal. That means a hammer should only be seen after a clear downtrend. Only if you see a few candles, let's say 4 to 5 candles, red color candles moving in a downward movement, only after that I will see a hammer and I will interpret that yes, the prices can take a turn and start going up. Because remember, any candlestick pattern will not work if the prices are moving in a sideways movement, because candlestick patterns are trend reversal signals. So only if the prices are moving downwards, I can expect prices to go upwards after that. And if the prices are moving upwards, I can expect the prices to go downwards after that. That is what the meaning of trend reversal signal is. If I talk about hammer specifically, a hammer is a bullish trend reversal signal, and thus it should only be seen after a clear downtrend. Now, if I talk about trading a hammer, once I see a hammer after a downtrend in any particular script, how should I trade with it? So, ideally, entry will be above the high of the hammer, stop loss will be below the low of the hammer, and target could be decided based upon any other technical analysis indicator that you use, like supports, resistances, RSI, Bollinger Bands. Remember, use this candlestick patterns along with any other technical indicator for confirmation. And not only candlestick patterns, friends, any technical indicator that you use in order to take a trade, it's always better that you are using it along with another technical indicator for your trade confirmation. That will always be better. And very, very importantly, follow strict money management guidelines. Entry, stop loss, and the targets that you have identified, stick to that. That's very, very important. Just to give you an example of how a hammer will look like, so you can see over here prices are moving downwards, after which you've seen that there is a hammer and it's a trend reversal signal expecting the prices to go up. Like this, you can identify a trade with a hammer. Thank you so much, friends, for being there till the end, and I really hope that this was very informative to all of you. In case any of you take trades using the candlestick patterns that we learned about today, or any suggestions, any feedback you want to give, please do write in the comments. Please subscribe to us. Thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye.